Hello everyone and welcome back to The Perfect French with Dylan. Today we're gonna learn how to conjugate verbs ending in er, my e, not your e, er, present tense. We already saw how to conjugate verb ending in er, then we saw the irregular one, then we saw a list of verbs ending with er, present tense. We saw it, we resaw it, I think we're good on that, but I will put the links in the description box. All the video I'm going to talk about today are all gonna be in the description box. As usual, you can go on my website and grab the PDF about this lesson. It's free, you just need to grab it. For those who ask about the paperback, the hard copy for my book, when is it available? I got some trouble with formatting and things. This is my first book, so I was not really familiar to how to format, and I really wanted to do it myself to understand the process. But it's coming. It should be maybe there when you watch this video. I will leave a comment about it. If it's not ready, it will be in a few days, but it's coming. So do you remember that in French we have three groups? Verb of the first group, second group, third group. We saw the first group like I said. Today we're gonna see the verb from the second group, which is ending with er. There are some exceptions about it. Some of them are from the third group, but I will come to that probably next week or the week after. And then we have the third group when the ending is most likely like those ones. Croire, craindre, peindre, joindre, mordre. So we are going to see that probably in February. A quick reminder about pronoun subject. Je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, et elle. I have a video about that. Link in the description box. If you remember from the first video of how to conjugate verb ending in er, present tense, we have sujet, radical, terminaison. Sujet is easy, it's what we just saw, it's the pronoun subject. Or whatever other subject you have in the sentence, it's gonna be that. Then we have radical et terminaison. Radical et terminaison together are the verb infinitive, the verb without any conjugation. The first one we're gonna see here is choisir. Choisir, choisir, to choose. So, the radical is C-H-O-I-S. So it's the radical is the verb without the ending, which is er. Er. So, what we know about conjugation is the radical doesn't change. And we also know that we are not going to use the same ending, er, we are not going to use it. So you can get rid of it. Then we know the subject, like I said, we know the radical. So we know all that. Now we are going to see the ending, les différentes terminaisons. With je, the ending is gonna be es. Es. With tu, the ending is gonna be es as well. Es. With il, elle, on. So do you remember, right? It's the same kind of pronoun subject. So he, she, or it. It's the same thing. We don't conjugate them any differently. So it's gonna be it. It. Nous is getting a bit longer, a bit complicated. It's gonna be, the ending is gonna be ISS-ONS. ISS-ONS. So, ils sont. Ils sont. The same thing for vous. Vous. So, vous, do you remember that the ending is usually a Z? Nous, it's usually ONS. So that doesn't really change, we just add a bit more of it. So for vous, it's the same. ISS-EZ. ISS-EZ. And it's also kind of the same for il et elle pluriel. The ending are gonna be ISS-ENT. ISS-ENT. So we don't pronounce ENT, remember that. So if we put them together, we have je choisis. Je choisis. We don't pronounce the S at the end. Tu choisis. Tu choisis. same thing, we don't pronounce the S. Il choisit, il choisit, we don't pronounce the T. Elle choisit, elle choisit. On choisit, on choisit, don't pronounce the T. Nous choisissons, choisissons. So here it's a bit different because there's one S which makes the sound Z, and then we have two S which make the sound S. So choisissons, choisissons. Same thing for vous. Vous choisissez. Vous choisissez. Il et elle choisissent. So I don't even pronounce the E, I don't pronounce the N, I don't pronounce the T. Hein? Il et elle choisissent. So you just end with a long S. Choisissent. That's it. And if we see it in a sentence, je choisis un film pour ce soir. Je choisis un film pour ce soir. Second verb we are going to see today is the verb finir. Finir, to finish. Finir. So here the radical is gonna be F-I-N. F-I-N. We don't use ER, so we're just going to get rid of it. We know the subject, we know the radical, and then we just have to add the ending. So same thing, je, is, tu, is, il, elle, on, it, nous, iss, ons, vous, iss, ez, il et elle, iss, ent. And if we link them, je finis, tu finis, il finit, elle finit, on finit, nous finissons, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent, elles finissent. Conjugation is not that hard when you take one step at a time. Okay, that's why I usually stretch it a lot in a lot of different lessons, but it's not that hard if you look at it like one step at a time. Don't look at the whole picture because it's not going to help you, but if you look one at a time, it's easy. Let's see a sentence for this one. Il finit son livre. Il finit son livre. Then we can jump into the third and last one we're gonna see today is réussir. Réussir. So I chose one with accent today because if you remember well, on the video where we saw how to conjugate ER verb, I did a video about irregular one and the accent was changing all the time. So here's just to show that the accent is not going to change. So if we look at it, we are going to keep R, E, U, S, S. That is what we're gonna keep. That is the radical. And we're going to get rid of ER, of course. Then we know the subject pronoun, we know the radical. We just need to add the ending. So we have ES, ES, IT, 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 ISSONS, ISS, EZ, ISS, ENT, ISS, ENT. And if we put them together, it's je réussis, je réussis, tu réussis, tu réussis, il réussit, il réussit, elle réussit, elle réussit, on réussit, on réussit, nous réussissons. So here we have double S every time. Nous réussissons. Vous, same thing, réussissez. Vous réussissez. Ils réussissent. Ils réussissent. Elles réussissent. So just quickly to review the ending. IS, IS, IT, 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 ISS, ONS, ISS, EZ, ISS, ENT, ISS, ENT. That's all you need to remember, and then you can conjugate all the verb from the second group. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you have a question about French, about anything in particular, or anything about me, literally anything, leave me a comment. I will do my best to answer and to help you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, it really helps me. You can also connect with me on my Instagram, my Facebook page, and this YouTube channel. And I will see you soon for another lesson.